So yeah, as I say, as you see everything, you see everything in the place already, right? And everything there, and you know everything there and everything. So, all right. So you are a well qualified male nurse, you know. You understand? You qualify for your job.
Yes, boss.
You understand? Just remember what. Just all you need for the, you know. Your work is easy. Just get the patients them Panadol with water, that's all. Ensure that them pampers change if they wear pampers. But you're not responsible for that. You get all that small if you deal with that. But don't worry about that. All you need to do is give them the Panadol when the time come. And this is your uniform. You wear it, it's one, you know. So what you do, you wear it and you wash it. When you wear it, you don't wear it for 1 week. You wear it and then you wash it. Alright? You don't know nobody who do security work.
Yeah, I have a friend, man.
You have a friend? Good, you know him?
Yeah, man, I know him good, man.
Because I need a security to secure this place, you know. That's all I need now, you know. Because we don't want nobody feel like they can just walk in and just come in and come do as they like. And come try to assault my patients. Not them no mad. Sorry. My patients. Alright?
Yes, boss.
And put yourself together, man. Groom up yourself. Groom up yourself, doesn't it? No piano light upon him, because this is a very sophisticated healthcare, you know. And you see my bicycle? You see my bicycle? I ride this come here every morning, you know. You understand? Just when I come here one time with my bicycle, I don't want nobody ride it.
Yes, boss.
Here?
Yes, boss.
Them could have even want something at shop. Them should have even, their mother could have even drop down. I don't want nobody touch my bicycle. My bicycle is my pride and joy. What me say?
Yes, boss.
My pride and joy. So I don't want nobody touch it. You see, look? Just make it stay. Nobody touch my bicycle. You understand?
Okay, boss.
So yeah, that's your job as a male nurse. Take care of patients when it's necessary. And just do what you need to do. Alright?
Okay, boss.
Yeah. So come back early, you know. Come back, you start work tomorrow morning early. So be here by 7 o'clock, alright?
Okay.
Alright, sir.
Boss, I'm a security bridging this, you know.
You know nothing about security?
Yes, sir. Enough things about security. Security, what we do all the damn life, you know.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm running a facility, you know. Therefore, we take care of the mental people, you know. So all of the mad people in West Japan Road, we have, that's the facility we have where we take care of them. People carry them people come and we take care of them. Understand?
Oh, you mean like the models?
No, we're not running a mad house. We're running a mental health center. You understand?
Oh.
Alta Care Mental Health Department. You understand?
Yeah, me take a job.
Yeah, so we need somebody serious, you know.
We always serious, sir. Always serious. You see, one thing with me, we know my job. I know what is right from what is wrong.
Alright, I mean, don't need no sleeping, nothing. I mean, why you try to fornicate with none of the patients today, you know. Because them
Me? Fornicate with the patient there? But I'm mad too.
You might look on them and think they're mad, but they might look good. Trust me. They must sound look good.
Hot,
They'll tell
hot.
people, but listen, but that's not important.
Okay.
Don't look on them.
Okay,
Don't
okay.
look on them. So yeah, Nurse Pony, get the uniform them, and you start tomorrow. You see?
First thing tomorrow I'll be there early.
First thing, don't be late, you know.
No man, never late. Are they man?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
All right, so we come down here. So this is one of my office.
So how is the pay go?
You didn't even start work, you can't worry about pay. You're gonna get paid. We pay by the hour.
Alright.
You understand?
I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for birthday. Yeah, glad. Respect you for
Alright,
this.
so.
Let me ask you a question. Why every day you come here, you have to smoke that?
Why you don't understand? You want me come like a patient them there? You want me mad like a them?
I never say so mad like a them, but you know, he's half a weed man.
You have to have a good meditation, man. You see me?
You're right. But that we put you over there too, if you can angle it.
No, me I do, man. You know if you do me thing, you know, man.
Daka come, hide. Morning, Doc. Morning, Doc. Where's the car, Doc? Where's the car?
Listen to me. Good morning, sir.
Morning,
I said morning already, sir. I said morning.
You could make me come out and come out from bicycle in peace. Eh? What do I do with that, sir?
We are having a prayer meeting.
2 men have prayer meeting. There's a new doctor coming down today, you know, straight from university. A new doctor coming down straight from university today. So listen, I want you to be on the P's and the Q's and get to act together. I can't.
Yes, boss. Q and our P's. We are here to serve and protect you.
Not me, the patients.
I
can't afford to mess it up, you know.
We can't protect them.
Yeah, what? And you, the much time I tell you to stop the smoking.
Okay, boss, I'm gonna stop it, boss.
Listen, I don't want you to think me I run a party shop, you say, you know.
No, boss. We are running a Madhouse, boss.
Listen, how much time me I tell you if you call it that? Eh? Don't ramp with me, you know.
What, boss, is what's inside, boss? Mad patient, boss.
They are civil servants. Civil servants.
I see a girl jump through the window there this morning.
Listen, I don't make no breeze touch my bicycle. I make nobody ride it. You hear? Nobody no ride my bicycle. And anybody come to me, me not there. But when the doctor come, you can call me. You hear?
I want to take with her. After this, look on this. You think that's Christian? Eh? Come on, for acting like this.
So yeah, the man.
I can't try to park. I can't park in them nice place here.
So alright, me I can go for the patient, you know.
You give them food now?
Mm-hmm.
Left to leg. Even if you hide in your pocket, when come. We have too many mad people here.
Amanda, how long you there so sleep? Wake up, man. You know, say you don't eat nothing from me grandpa. Nothing in the house here. I carry one box food for you. Yeah. Let me see what they give you. Okay, right, pa, take it. It's 1 fork here.
Box little do mommy.
The box little? You not even ask me when me get the money from to buy you. They won't tell me say box little. You not even say thank you.
Thank you.
The box little do mommy.
Thank
Why
you.
you craving though? Me go put that one up on the fridge top so till when me come back, cause me have to hurry and go and serve. Where your brother there?
In the bush. In Ghana bush.
2 box food me buy. So me dey beg you in the name of Jesus, leave some for your brother. Nobody name man fi come know your style.
You tell your diet.
Diet. Diet. Aye. Alright, Kitty. Me buy you one next one theme when me come or me give him some of mine. Make it stay up there so. Me a hurry right now. Me have to go outside right now. So take care of yourself. I no come out of your yard, you know?
I'm not going away.
Okay. Soon come back.
You know, my daughter, I give me a problem enough. Since she started TikTok, then her boyfriend left her, she just start become big idiot. I can't control her, none at all. I try hold her, but she frisky, she can't run. So if you come, carry the youth here, look like he can run and slim. You want somebody to run her down and catch her. You understand? So she if it's a TikTok, she just start move. So she just alert to that, she just catch her. The TikTok, and by the time she run have to catch her. The man. Carry security to the toe, because look like him can run too. So me one day for the right place, me carry her come.
Yeah, man, this is the right place, man. Alticare, we here at Alticare, we take care of the mentally ill and the sick.
Boss, Madhouse.
No, but just don't call it that, man. Don't call it that. It's a mental health care.
Because my daughter no mad, you know. Her brain just go and come. So she mad sometime and the brain come back. But TikTok and the boyfriend mad her out.
So that matter out?
Yeah, TikTok and boyfriend.
Alright, this is the right place. We have our staff here is very put together. Tell if we go trim. Tell if we go trim. And you
This is a Madhouse.
listen, don't make your money here, so that don't make your so that. So yes.
So what we go do, I have to go give you the location for you can find her. Right? This is the picture. Look. You see how she look?
Mm-hmm.
Nice, look, short thing. Nobody look at her now, because someone know the mental place, you know. Both son of one of them place there. Because my daughter is a pretty little girl, the body want her, you know. I don't know why she fall in love with that little dirty dog. The dirty dog mash up her heart, and now the heart mash up her head, and then she fall in a TikTok. What go on?
No.
At first,
No worry yourself.
when the boyfriend go left her, you know, she stop chatting, you know. She just no one left out of the house at all. Then when me see she pick up a TikTok, me say yes, this is something good. Me start jump on her and she start clap and me start surf her. After a while, the whole place mash up. Me come see house, mash up, everything mash up and see that TikTok and I be a laugh, my laugh. So hope son can manage that job, yeah.
Don't worry yourself, man. This is the right place, man.
Alright, so just let me know how much you go cost us. Pick him up and then when you don't have him, you call me. Where your number go? Press the number on the phone. That means say
Put your number in this.
that means say you call me as soon as you get control, she run pan the road up and down.
Alright, don't worry yourself.
Just show TikTok. So TikTok pan the road on there and you go see she come out.
TikTok.
TikTok. Cause that's which you alert to them to where they.
Yeah, we go fair now.
Go on.
No, man, yeah, come, man. Where do?
But boss, you know what you say? She mad.
Listen to me. This is what I pay you for. Don't ramp with me. Come.
Okay, boss.
And where you blasting shoes, man?
We can't afford one, sir. If you pay me good, me can buy one.
Listen to me. Don't embarrass me, saying, man. Don't mind embarrass me.
Okay, you did sit down there, sir? What? You alright? Where your brother?
You must be outside.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay. Me hungry. Amanda. We are on something.
Yes, mommy.
Manners.
Yes, mommy.
Me carry 2 bags food come here and me give you one. Where the next one me put on the fridge shop?
And Duppy love rice, you know?
Duppy love rice, and that you sell little girl. Duppy love rice, Duppy love white rice, Duppy no love rice and peas and a rice and peas in the box. Me no understand you, Amanda.
Well, me don't know, mommy. Me don't know about no rice.
Me no understand you. JR! JR! I went there. Boy, you know hear me I call you.
Yeah, yes, mommy.
Boy, you know hear me I call you.
Me there do something what I do.
Listen to me. Me buy 2 bags food. Me give your sister 1 and me put 1 on the fridge top. Are you eat it? Don't talk to me so. Me's your mother. No mommy or yes mommy for you. Have manners. Who eat the food?
Me know what food here.
You know what? Me not run it down in a jar. Cause me know you. Me know say you not take it and eat it. But when it come on to food,
See 2 bags of food.
Amanda, from the food she will eat
See
it.
2 bags of food.
I told Jesus Christ. Oh, God know me hungry. You know me glad. But Jesus Christ, queer. Bone. Hold on there. What watch ya?
I don't eat it.
Me know say I know you. When it come on to food, it not pass Amanda. Little girl, come here to me. Hello, Amanda. Come here to me. Come round here so. Me notice you act like you're deaf.
Mommy, everything when me see me. I me know said there's a God live it me not eat the food, you know. Look there, me can't gain 1 weight. I carry the food out I do a hide a breeze off the food. I see me eat the food.
Amanda, look in at me 2 eye them where God give me. Imagine you dey look on your mother and tell your mother such a lie.
Me no like when people don't believe me, no, mommy. Me no like when they don't believe me, no. Me not eat the food, you know.
Amanda, me buy 2 food.
Me couldn't gluttonous so eat the 2 food, mommy. Me could have never terrible. So me say I eat the food, mommy. Everything you don't believe me.
JR. Alright, me believe you.
Yes,
JR. She said you eat the food. Why you eat the food and tell me such a lie? JR, you eat it?
Mommy, may I tell you the truth? I would never eat your food. I when I was dead for hungry, I would never eat your food.
Alright. Me believe you know. Since I don't eat it, I must Duppy eat it. But me will tell you one story. I want to listen keenly. You understand? You see all you are going like a big woman, listen good. Because you always not listen, you know, that's why you not learn. One man live with his family them. His family them have cow. You understand me? A lot of cows.
Me talk look for me alone and talk. I'm nervous.
Me dey talk to you because me know say your fingers see me.
So you look for me alone
Because
and talk like a me. Look
me
for
no
me
say-
away, mommy.
Me dey alright. Me will look on you, alright. See then me a look on you and me dey look on you.
Yes.
But through your fingers see me have to warn you most because definitely me believe say JR do not trouble the food, but guess what? Me believe you too, you know, in a one different way. But me tell you about the man. He live with his family them. His family them raise a lot of cow. Me put down his fork. His family them raise a lot of cow. The man thief his own family them cow. And the family them always take care of the man. And the way the man lie and tell like say not thief the cow. Them miss the cow them, you know. And ask him. And he try Bible leaf and say no him. You know what they do? Find St. Mary. Eh? And come back and they chat about it so everybody know about it. You see, everywhere the man go, he in at the road. Cow. Moo. I'll be afraid of him when me see him. I'll be a moo and they have to cow. So listen now, just like when you take it and it's not you take it, me believe you know. But don't run yourself about it. Me I gotta send Mary right now. Okay. So anything happen to who take it is not my fault. Me I'm glad say no who no take
Travel
it.
good for the road, mommy, because to a road around vile with people, especially female. You sure you want to go?
Me they go.
Alright then.
I shall be going.
Me I pray for you.
Me they palm me way right now. Me don't go and no say no who no take it.
I don't know how we take it.
Me glad say no you.
TikTok! TikTok! That side, boss.
Because that's how Chuck I gonna make a hook.
Yeah. Direction.
TikTok! TikTok!
TikTok! TikTok! See no man, TikTok! Boss, come here girl! Boss! Boss, come boss.
TikTok, come here.
Come boss.
Come here.
One boss.
I'm not gonna do anything.
Boss, one boss.
TikTok! Come here.
Boss.
TikTok, turn around. TikTok, turn around. TikTok.
Come here! Come here, look, look! Boss, boss, come on, boss. Come on, boss. Boss, where are we, boss?
Hold on.
Yes, boss. Come on, boss. Okay. Good job, boss. Good job. Good job. Good job, boss.
Jesus.
Good job.
Back this one. Hold on, hold on.
Food. Food. Hungry. Me hungry. Me hungry. Me hungry. Me hungry.
Amanda.
Me hungry.
Amanda. Are you really eat the food? Amanda, me and your mother, you tell me such a lie. Me can't believe. Look how me tell you if you talk the truth. And you take off God off a cross and chow up all Bible leaves. See there? See how you love them and y'all and them plastic.
Food. Me hungry.
Lord Jesus. Amanda,
Me hungry.
the woman tell me say this can't reverse. You know, no reverse or reverse. So guess what? Me I go take you and carry you go round a one mad place round there so.
Me hungry.
Come on.
Food round there.
Food.
Food round there.
Whole heap
Me
of food
hungry.
round there. You get enough of food down where you're near me now.
Love no food.
Whole heap of food. Come, get up.
A
Yes.
big plate of food.
Whole heap of food. One big jump on of food. Come. Come, get up. Get up, get up. Come on, come. One. Jesus Christ. Oh, so Lord have mercy. Me can't believe, Father God. Look what me own a picnic make me do. Make me feel say somebody come in my house and come take out the food and eat it. Amanda, who make you never tell me the truth? Jesus Christ, you know what? My dose me they carry you go.
Food. Food, I
Can't believe. Say look for me and tell me such a lie. This a spell you can't reverse.
Food.
Me can't carry away more than food there. You will get food. See how you lie. Shut up,
Mommy, me want food.
Shut up. Food make you stay so now. Hello sir, good day.
Good day.
Okay, my name is Candy. Me bring my daughter come here sir. Here's the right place where they carry the mad people them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, me would like to see the doctor.
Alright, now call him.
Alright.
Food a fall.
Hurry up, cause me feel like we rain and
Food a
drizzle.
fall.
Shut up!
Food a fall.
Stand up, man.
Food, mommy. Food a fall. Food a fall, mommy. Food. I want food. Food.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Food. I want food.
Hello, sir.
Food a fall. Food.
Hey, Tappy Nice. Me bring her come make she come in at that institution here because me can't manage her. I hope you have the right medication for her because the way she bad, she want the strongest one.
So what I'm to her though?
The way she lie. And she cost this for herself.
Food.
Me buy 2 boxes of food.
Wow,
Give her one and put on one for my fridge top. Doctor, when me go and come back, my daughter eat the food and tell me like so she don't eat it. So me got St. Mary.
Hold on, wait. Is what you say you walk up upon your daughter?
And I me walk up on her now. She woke up on herself because I asked her if she eat any of the food and she said no. And I me trouble it, mommy. So me go out figure find out who do it. Cause me not understand how me come home with 2 food. Give her one, put one pan the fridge shop, and when me come back and nobody eat it. That means that up here come in my house so me go find out if I don't eat the food. When me come back, she mad. And me no want no mad people around me, right? That's what the right place or somebody direct me.
No. This is not a mad house, no. This is a mental health facility.
Well, fear health.
Alter care is a mental health. We deal with mental.
Well, fear health, no mental. He no proper. He gone wrong. No mental, no health. No,
Nurse.
Please don't ask if you handcuff her, sorry, you have to go tie her down on the bed because she's terrible. I hope you have a heap of food over here for her.
I have food.
Go on in,
I
go.
want food.
She will run away now.
I
No.
Hold on. Let me hold it back.
want food, mommy. I want food.
Lift her up.
Yes, boss. What then, sir?
Respect our manners.
Yeah, man. So what then, sir? You are a man with anything me want, me can get.
Yes, man. Anything at all, man, you want. And make
Alright.
you get.
You are going to know. My girlfriend, she just left college. But she want a baby. You see me? But me all me a try, she not get pregnant. I mean, no, see, I know me have a problem now, maybe a she. So here what happen? I want a baby. Which part me can get a baby for buy?
We can make you get a baby right now.
A baby right now?
Yeah, man.
Alright. How much it cost to get a baby?
Me can make you get a baby now, man. Anything you have, me can make you get him right now.
No, I want how much, brother? How much?
15 grand, man.
15 grand?
Yes, man.
Alright. You are one. When is the mechanic get the baby?
Right now.
Right now?
Yes,
Alright,
man.
so here we are. Me go wait right there, so. You go get the baby and come back. Zin? Yeah, man. So when you come back, you get the money.
Alright.
Yeah, man. So me wait right there. So
Make certain, you know.
Go on and come, man. Me wait right there, so me nah move.
Alright.
Alright, go on, man.
So I go on, babes.
Nay.
Hello, babes. So I go on.
I'm not a babe. Don't call me babes. How many times should I tell you don't call me babes? We're done.
I mean, we're done just so. So I go on.
Look, man, I can't deal with your foolishness. Every day you come with the same silly excuses. You don't have money to maintain the baby. You don't have money to take care of me, and I should still stay with you. Look how you come for the baby. Is that a good way to come for the baby? You're not a proper father. I don't even know why I'm asking you to do me this favor, you know. It's only because I want the baby to know her father why I'm really asking you to take her to the daycare. How you look like that? Why your eye look so red?
What do me eye?
You high or something?
Everything alright, man. Just let me get the baby and do what me have to because me have to pick up on the road, that's it. No joke thing right now. Me want to get busy, you know.
You know, right now I'm very scared to give you my child.
Give me the baby, let me do the bad this now, man. Or go on. Come now, man, my baby now.
Is your daddy okay?
Come, baby.
Daddy going to take you to the daycare, alright, baby? Make sure you bring the baby to the daycare, you know.
So we should bring him
And
go.
pick her up by 6 p.m. because I do not want to pay any late fees.
No
at
problem,
you.
man. So give me the money for the baby, man. Because I have the money for me now.
Money for what?
For the baby.
I paid everything at the school. I don't need to give you any money. I don't trust you with money.
I
shouldn't
still
even
need the
trust you
money.
with
Me
my
still
daughter.
need the money, same way.
To do what?
Me need the money to put even in my pocket.
The baby is 2 years old. And the only thing I've ever received from you was a pack of diapers and a small tin of Enfamil. Nothing else. I've been doing everything on my own and I'm still going to college.
Nothing at all, me never give it for the baby. You know, so you're very serious.
Go. Just go.
No problem, man. Worry your brain. Everything I go bad. I might be baby, you know. So me I go and do bad. Where you go, baby? Let's go. I pray.
Welcome, boss. So you say, baby, this, sir?
Yes, man.
That's a nice little girl. Come here, little girl.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, pretty baby.
All back there.
So wait, say, how much a baby you know?
You want 15 grand.
15 grand.
Then I must. Go along the road.
So what want in bag?
Hey,
What do you take out?
all papers in the field.
Alright,
Things
alright.
I'm ramp, man.
Alright, good.
Too much problem in my head.
Yo, so how you get that baby from?
Where me get her from? Let me make my baby. Right now, my baby mother, she alright.
Okay,
You don't have to worry.
Alright, give thanks, alright. Alright, so give thanks. So yo, remember you know, me don't know you don't know me, you know.
No your way. Just
Alright.
keep good.
Alright, give thanks, alright, my boss. Alright, big up yourself. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah. Samantha, forward there, Samantha. Samantha, forward.
Remy, why you calling me like that?
Forward there, Samantha.
Why you calling me as if you own me?
Babes, just cool man I go on and I pray. They
They're-
just robbed me, that's why I come.
They rob you, but they don't rob the baby.
They
I'm
robbed the
asking about
baby
it.
and they robbed the bag, everything. Gunman stick me up and rob
You
me.
must be out of your black.
No, they robbed me to chew. Oh my God. Fuck.
Come here. What you say? What you say? Then do who?
They robbed me.
What do you mean by rob you and steal baby? Jeremy, come. You're not talking straight.
They robbed me. They thief the baby. They thief the baby and the bag. They
Steal
robbed
which
me.
baby and bag?
Oh
You
my
want
God.
to proper back? Jeremy. Jesus Christ. My one pitney, Jeremy. Why you worthless so? Why
They,
you make me just make them steal you and leave me pitney?
they never want to steal me. I baby they want.
I bet it's somebody you owe. Jesus Christ, God Almighty. What me I gonna do? Me one pitney, Jeremy. Jeremy, me I gonna kill you.
Samantha, just calm down, no man. Just give me 200 and I'm going to report it on a station.
200 what? You want
Dollar.
200 bucks?
Jesus Christ, man. Where's this man? Eh?
Boss! Oh God.
Where you come from?
You just got me something just jump out my shirt.
Listen to me. This patient where we are going to go for now. She's top priority. We need to get her off the street. She's top priority. Our baby got stolen and we need to get her off of the street because she's been mad ever since. You understand?
Another one of them.
Listen, this is the work. This is what you sign up for. So let us go and get her right now. Wait. Where your pants?
Boss, and they call me now. Our new girl to find me and try to get ready to come. But Well, go back.
Don't make this happen again. You hear me? I'm not running a party shop. Don't make this happen again. You hear me tell you?
Only talk to you.
Talk to him now,
Let me
man.
talk to him, boss, man. Give me pants and he so he coming now.
Yo, come on, man. Don't make this happen again.
Remember, tell me hours up.
Baby. Baby. Mommy, babe.
Wait.
Leave baby alone.
Relax.
Leave me, baby.
Don't worry. We're gonna take you. We're gonna take you off the street and bring you where your baby is.
My
Right?
baby.
No, this is not your baby. This is
My baby,
No,
my
let
baby,
it go.
my baby, let me go.
Let it go, man. Let
My
it
baby, my baby, my baby, my baby,
Stop. Let it go, man.
my baby, my baby, my baby,
This is your
Welcome, man. Welcome to Alticare. We here. Listen to me. I'm talking to your mommy.
baby.
So yes, as I was saying, we here at Alticare, we provide the best service for the mentally challenges people. You understand? And this here is my first assistant male nurse, Pony, and right here is my head of security, chief of staff.
Papa Matalan.
Right. So, and I am Mr. Philip Boilwell.
Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Philip Boilwell.
Nice to meet you, and I am Dr. Henry.
Dr. Henry?
Yes,
Alright,
I am.
very nice to meet you. But I don't understand why you bring your daughter. This is a mentally challenged place.
Madhouse, man.
No, man, how much time I must tell you? Do not call it that. Don't call it that.
Boss.
I'm at a box. Alright, so this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna just take the day and come back tomorrow so I can introduce you to the patients, and I don't want to take any risks. So I don't think it's safe for her to be here.
Okay, I can do that. But I didn't know there would be any risk, though.
Listen, these people, they come from all different kind of madness, and I don't want to take any risk with them. So the baby is too young. But it was nice meeting you again, Miss Henry.
Yeah.
And thank you for coming to the Alticare, and I'll see you tomorrow, alright?
No problem. I'll be back tomorrow.
Alright, no problem.
Thank you.
Let me see you too beautiful.
Stop it, man.
Boss.
Stop it.
Singing protection. Why are you doing that?
Protection. Boss, I'll fire you soon.
You know that madhouse is.
Madhouse, the boss will fire you because you want to look at woman.
Rude baby. Rude baby. Hungry. Baby sleep. Hungry.
Hello.
Baby daddy.
Stop it, man. I'm trying to tell you I'm not a baby daddy. Come in now.
Hungry. Baby daddy love you.
So yes, these are our patients now. Over there we have 006, aka foodie. So she eat off everybody food, right? Over here we have 007, which is aka TikTok. If you say you have to be careful on the word TikTok, she might have jump up on you. Yeah? When I say TikTok. Stop it, man! Yeah, and this one is 008. She did breed one, cokehead did end up breed her. So you know how you go with cokehead. The man sell everything. Listen to me, how much time I must tell you it's not a baby. Give it to me. Give it to me! Stop! Control.
Calm down. This is what you have to put up with on a daily basis?
Every day.
I think you need to govern them, man.
Govern? I can't do more than what I can do, you know. These people come from all different sides of madness. Listen to me?
No, doctor, but first, you can't have 3 persons in a room. This is dangerous.
I mean, I can't do better. Look at them. TikTok, stop it!
Doctor, right? You don't talk to them like that. They're already experiencing mental challenges, right?
No, ma'am. They are already mad, you mean? They are out losing their brains.
I understand that, but you have to be sympathetic towards their needs, alright?
Right? What
Alright,
needs?
alright, listen, I have to run now, you see? So you take over and take charge of the
Doctor.
situation.
Doctor, I don't think
you want to talk so much,
Doctor,
you take charge.
I don't think you're handling the situation.
Hello?
These persons are seriously challenged. What you're saying now, security?
The only time he come in here, unless somebody new come here. He left us to deal with these people.
Alright,
Chief
okay,
news
security.
skills,
I appreciate your input, but that's it. I'll take over from here.
You
Alright?
can handle them?
Yes, I can.
Why that one never super come?
Alright, have a great day.
Don't call me no madam.
Have a great day. I'll call you when the need arises, okay?
Take that. Take care.
Thank you.
Baby, sleep.
Hello. Give me a minute, please. Good day.
Good day.
The doctor is here?
Yeah, doctor inside.
I come to look to my daughter. She alright?
Yeah, man, she alright.
Alright, so I can come inside?
Yeah.
Thanks. You can call the doctor for me, please.
Hello?
Good day. I'm here to see my daughter.
Your daughter?
Yes, how is she doing?
Well, she's doing quite madly, you know. She's getting along. She's coming along.
Doctor, what are you trying to tell me? That my daughter get worse than how I take her here?
I mean, you just how long since you bring her come?
It's been a while.
It's been a while,
Mm.
right?
That mean I'm looking for her to get better.
I never mean say no go mad your daughter, you know. So no come here with this nonsense.
Doctor, now get me on my wrong side. Me can't believe. No, doctor, me care something fair. Me care $500 fair that me have. Me not get me pay yet.
So what you think? What you think she can do with $500?
Doctor, me not talk about that. But me care for rubbing on my face so. Me know say me hubby and my daughter, but it's not my fault. So why you have to rub it in my face? Me shame. Shame a kill me.
You could have never shame. That's a madness. This is total madness. What you gonna do?
I know my fault. I choose she name too much. Sake of food. I know you come and rub in on my face like me and her mother. Me know say me do something wrong, but at the end of the day, it's not my fault.
Alright, and you come here now, you bring $500. What she can do with $500? What she can do with $500? Eh?
Doctor.
You know how much bills me have to pay a year for one patient? Each time them use the bathroom, each time them flush the toilet, you know how much bills, how much money that?
Doctor,
Eh?
look here.
This cannot cover it.
It look like you don't want me $500. Give me it back. I don't have no food here. Government are going up everything for give patient them. Me gonna me yard. Me go take him from here and put him on one different place.
Listen to me. Where is this security?
He not come and work today, no boss.
What do you mean he not come to work today? Listen, me know you know, and me talk to you and tell you say me want a decent security and security work and know if you doing job. And you recommend him to me, you know. So you tell me say.
Me I talk to him for you, man.
Me know want you talk to him, he need to be here early every morning, he need to be there so. Because them mad woman you couldn't come in here, you know. This is Iris. What if I did some man come in here if you take away one of them mad somebody? What if I did something else? Eh? Get it right, man.
Alright, bossy.
And you have a blasted cigarette and this damn weed you smoke make you out there so? Eh? You give the patient them their medication already?
Yes, boss.
After all, man.
I can't believe my mother out me wanna pick me. Oh God.
Candy, I want to take candy.
You know, say over a mad place me come from.
What happened? What happened over there? Who fear over there?
My daughter mad out and me did have to carry her go over there.
What mother wrote?
You know, so me no know.
What you mean you
He
don't
just
know?
mad out and me carry him over there because me say yes so then keep him all like mad people them.
Why over there me I go right now too, you know?
How where you go over there for?
My baby mother over there.
Eh?
My baby mother over there.
Your baby mother?
Yeah.
I want to she. I work
Why she mother out, you know, because they ain't thief with baby.
Then thief your baby, mine
Yeah,
a
then.
bunny a gee girl.
Whoa. And my baby, you know. So, me have to stress out to over there me I go right now, Candy. So, I don't know where I go on.
Over there me a come from. You see the doctor man there, you know why me no disrespect that man there? Because I them have to give my daughter medication and other family have them family over there. I mean no one thing go give me daughter no wrong medication. Look how go mad out worse than how she stay. Me can't believe if I see a man a rank with me. I want $500 me did have, you know. And me take him and give him and tell him say, buy something for me daughter. You know a man do? Start style me and they hold you up so. In the ear and they say if $500 can be. Me just grab it back from him and do it. God no, me can't take it. Although right now me don't know what go happen because she over this one she don't look like she get no better. Worse she get.
Just be nice.
All
Everything I go alright. Just
Alright,
take your
take care.
time and pray to God.
Alright.
Over there me I go.
Yeah.
Alright. Yes, boss. Why pray now? I go on.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you know, sir. I'm wife me come check for my hospital. Yeah, man. Cause she's sick now, she over there. Come check for her. Is it?
Oh, me have to go call it that, man.
Yeah, man. Tell it that. Yes, doc. Evening, sir.
Good evening.
Come check for my wife over here. Cause she's very sick and she over here.
Check
Come
on who?
check my wife.
What do you mean you can't check for your wife?
My wife very sick and she over there, over the hospital over here.
Where
and
you-
and me come and the security tell me that I have to get to the doc. And I said I go and come. So
What
I
your
wanna-
name? What your name?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
My name is Jermaine.
Jermaine?
Yes.
But we don't have Jermaine and any of the mad patients, not the mad patients, our patients list of people who should come in. We don't have no list, we don't name no on the list. And you know, look like somebody where allowed for you look like a somebody where they don't want a facility for yourself for men. You see me? A male facility. Not this facility. We want to accommodate women here. You understand? We don't allow men here.
So you're telling me that I can't see my wife? And she's very sick. I want to see my wife. What you are talking about, doc? Come on.
What is the wife name? What is the wife name?
Yeah, the brown one, that is my wife. The one that they keep the baby. So I want to come here to see that I can give her back a baby. So,
Boss man, listen to me. I can't allow you on this facility. Plus, the time of evening, we don't allow visitors here at this time of the night. You understand? By the way, you look like you can do security work.
of course.
Eh?
Of course, I can do work, of course. Security, anything.
You have any experience in doing any security
Of
work?
course.
Alright, here we go now. Because the security one I have here, nah, function so well. So what you gonna do, you gonna come back tomorrow and check me. Just come back early in the morning. I'm give you a rundown and
Give
what-
me the time that I should check you because I have a lot of business.
You have a lot of business. What kind of business?
Hold-
I don't want your business to cross path with in a my
No, your
business.
business is not in your security work, okay? That is my business.
Alright, so come in the morning, man. About 9 o'clock.
Alright, no problem.
Alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And what next time not come here looking so in a no cut off foot jeans and no slippers. This is a upscale privileged mental facility. You know, come here looking like that. You hear me, sir?
Jamaican have no rule in us, so we can't come anyhow. That's the thing, say.
Spoony. Take the blasted weed out. Much time I chat to you.
Alright, boss.
Don't laugh at me, man. This is what I'm telling you, say now. You see that security boy there? I don't want me to go fire him. Me I go fire him and hire somebody else. Because these people not supposed to come on my facility. They're not supposed to come here. This is a well uptown groom privilege facility. You hear me tell you?
Okay,
And
that.
next time not come, if them people that come here, don't come call me. Yeah? But allow him tomorrow to come here because I want a new security. Yeah? But other than that, don't come call me if you know and stop on the weed, man. Oh. So, you see, this is protocols when it comes to lunchtime, right?
Protocol?
Yes, this is lunchtime now.
But Doc, I mean, this is just bread and butter. This is not nutritious enough for these persons.
I mean, the fat, give them fat. The bread, give them protein.
I mean, this is just pure fat and bread. And I mean, what about the other nutrients? What about the vitamins and minerals? The least you could do is give them like an apple or a banana and so on.
If I could, I would, but because the government not really sending much for them, we have to give them what we can, you see? Finger licking! Listen to me, don't do that, man. How much time I must tell you? Come around here. And don't come in front of me. Sit down, man. Did you behave yourself?
Who?
You did work for one from last week.
One more.
Listen to me, no
One
more.
more. One more.
Come. Come.
Come on, man.
Sorry, you mentioned take a break. Yeah, you got that. You mentioned take a break.
Food.
Eh? Oh, yeah, look, man. Come.
Rude baby, don't do that.
Come, she now get no butter. That's it.
Want juice? I'm not getting drinks.
No, rest it. Your man so come take care. There? You see, doctor, what I have to deal with? Eh?
Oh my God, I see what you have to put up with. It's just so difficult. You know?
Mighty God, if I did ever give them steak, how they would have behave? If me feed them steak, I have
But I mean, if you can, then you should give them proper and balanced meals.
Come on, guys. Calm down.
Give me back my bread. Eating belly Johnny.
That's what I'm talking about with that crave one.
Oh
You
my
take
goodness.
everything from everybody.
It's just so unbelievable.
Alright, but here, you go have the lunch now. You see, a soup come.
Alright, that's fine.
Alright, a soup come. That's not near your lunch, it's a room.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah.
Alright.
Rude baby.
I am so excited that you finished Oxford University. Now we can actually start with life together.
You know, I've always dreamt of this moment. Like the hard work, the sleepless nights has finally paid off. It's like a dream come true. But the only drawback right now is the fact that I don't know. I can't have children, and that's really bothering me, you know, right?
You don't have to worry about that. I am with you 100%. As a matter of fact, while you were at university, I make a link with one of my friends who work at a adoption agency. Yeah, and right now, right as you speak, let me take up the phone and call him. I have a child ready right now.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God, like you just make me the happiest person alive.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yeah, man, so we have a baby ready right now. So one phone call, we can pick her up.
You have no idea how happy I am right now.
So you say, baby, this is
Yes, man.
a nice little girl. Come here, little girl.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, pretty baby.
I'll back behind.
So wait, say, how much your baby I know?
15 grand.
Okay, boss.
Up the blasty gate.
Okay, boss.
You know, say the security come here from morning.
No, boss.
Huh?
No security, boss.
One rasta looking one, the patient, one of the patients and baby father. You know, see him come here?
I'm not seeing come for morning.
Lord of God. Another security has failed again. My phone. Hey, let me your phone. You have credit for me?
Yeah, man. Great, that's all, man.
Hello? You hear me? Yes. This is the security firm from Sav? Yes. This is Dr. Philip Boylewell. Yes, I'm calling you from the Alta Care mental facility. Yeah. What I need you to send me a fine security. I need one decent security, you know, because me run out of options and me need someone who can actually secure this place. Yeah, man. Up by the Shrewsbury scheme. Yeah, man. I need one right now. No worry about payment, man. The government pay us and we will ensure you get paid. But you're not gonna get the same time. You'll get like a couple months after. Because that's what the government pay. Pay right now, you pay a couple months after. Yeah. Alright. Listen, until we get a security, you're gonna just stay out here and secure the place. If anything, me just want to take care of the patients. You see? And stop the blasted smoking. How much time I must tell you that?
Boss, me ain't a smoke, man.
Oh, make sure. Listen, don't make nobody come in here, you know. And don't make nobody go for me bicycle. For me bicycle. You see? You hear me, sir? Oh, don't make nobody come in here and don't make nobody take on my bicycle. Because this is my pride and joy. You see?
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm here from the security firm for the security officer position.
Okay.
Can I talk to the doctor, please?
Okay, I'll call him and come.
Okay.
Wow, what a fine young lady. How may I help you?
Good morning, sir. I'm here from the security firm.
Security firm? So you're the new security?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry. Pardon me. Come on in. What is your name?
Thanks. Sir, my name is Officer Wills.
Officer Wills.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, nice to meet you. So here, at this facility here, we own cater for the mental health patients then, you know?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, the mental health patients. And nice meeting you again. You know what I mean?
Nice meeting you too, sir.
So, you have any experience in security? How long since?
Yes, sir. I'm a well-trained professional.
Well-trained professional? Mm-hmm. All right, here we only have like 6 or so patients here, but we only have 3 main patients that we deal with. Like top priority, like we get big money for them.
What type of patient, sir?
Top priority. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so it's just a mental health facility, so we just take care of the mental.
As in mad people?
No, not mad people, mental.
No. Okay.
Yeah. The people them we kind of know so right it too. But you're very nice for security.
Thanks,
Very
sir.
nice. Nurse Pony. So she's gonna be our next security here. So go get our uniform then for me, you see?
Okay, boss.
So you get the job right away, you see?
So you don't want to see any papers or anything?
Me see all the papers me need to see. Everything. If you qualified, you're overqualified, I should say. Right, so yes. So this is a uniform. You wear it and you wash it.
Thank you, sir.
Right? You don't wear it 2 weeks or 1 week. You just wear it as a
No,
wear your
I
wash
wrong
it.
when you care come.
No, man. No. This is the only one. This clothes has been going through all the securities that work.
Sir, this is 2 of me.
It can't fit, man. You can just use something and tie it and tie up it on you. It work. It's just one. We don't have no more. It's just one. So you can go. You want me to help you and change?
No,
or
I'm okay, sir. Thank
Are you sure?
Yes.
I mean, I can just hold it out for you, you know. And just let me get the door.
I want to go in there alone.
Spoonie, stay out here, sir. Here.
I left, you know. I left. I'm hungry. I want food. They not give me enough food. My mother tell me say they don't give me enough food, and they not give me enough food. Now me I left. Me I run away. Me I run away.
Want my baby? Want my baby, you know?
What are you running?
Yes.
No.
Baby.
Me nah run with. Nah run with.
Woman.
Nah no Alifa. Boyfriend, if me gone, nah run with.
Let me look for baby.
Food out there. Food. You don't want food?
You want me baby? You don't want baby?
No, no baby.
We are going to look baby.
No?
Yes.
Nah come. Me nah have no Alifa. Nah come. No go on.
I left, you know. I'm not getting enough food. And my mother tell me say me I'll get enough food. I'm not getting enough food. I mean, I turn up because I'm hungry. I have to eat. I have to eat right around the clock. So you not come.
No.
Come. Food. I'm show you where food is. I know where food is.
Yeah, so I go for lunch break though.
Alright, do it, man.
Baby. Benny John, one phone. Benny John, me I go look for baby. Tick tock. Tick tock. Tick tock. Oh, I'm a baby. Tick tock, I want baby. Benny John, I want baby. Idiot, Benny John. Follow me, come on, baby.
Security! Security! Jeez. Lock down your place. Lock down your place. Lock down your place. One patient escape. Hurry up. Lock down your place. Where nurse? Where nurse? Where nurse? The male nurse. Pony, where is he?
Sir, them gone pan lunch. You're not supposed to know that no your work of them.
Oh, the blasted boy for gone pan lunch and left the blasted place open. The male, the 006 escape.
Sir, nobody no escape right here, somebody there.
So you there, so I understand say the blasted gate open? Come on.
Where we go, sir?
What do you mean where we go? Come on. We have to go find her. She's priority. She's one of our main priorities. She's... Come on,
sir, I'm afraid I'm
this is what?
I'm afraid I'm mad people.
We not no mad people here. She's mentally ill.
So why different?
Listen, this is what I'm paying you for. Come on, man.
Alright, sir. Yeah.
Not my bed.
Hold on, look. Listen, it's when you come, I couldn't take my eyes off of you.
That kind of time for that.
Listen, man. I couldn't take my eyes off of you. It was like me make a right choice calling the agency and them send it right one. Listen,
the patient them. Cause me never sign up for this in the first place. Me not supposed to run down nobody. Look how the sun hot.
Listen,
come on.
Wait, no. I'm talking to you. I like the way your eyes are glowing.
You really find time to do this now while your patient depend to lose that?
Them alright, man. The government take care of them. Listen, you can be Mrs. Boyle well enough. You just have to
You look like you forgot to we're on a mission.
We are on a mission. We are going to be on a mission now.
First of all, you not pay me extra for run down people in the sun. Because me never sign up for this. No, you alright?
Oh, yeah. As I'm there, so you can be... Come here!
Get my phone with people when you come down and see you.
Rude baby! It's not rude baby! That is rude baby! morning, nurse.
Good morning.
Good morning, pet. Where's the rest of patients? Where are the rest of patients?
Nurse! Nurse, you don't realize that all the patients are missing?
What you have to tell me?
What you mean?
Me leave it 2 patients, I mean.
Come on, nurse, you're working here. What do you mean you leave them there? There's only 1 patient there.
A lunch break me I come from, man.
What do you mean you're coming from lunch break? You are in charge here. You're supposed to know what's taking place with the patients. Now 2 of them is missing. There's only 1 patient there. So what are we going to do?
Yes, hello, good day.
Good day.
How is your day?
Fabulous.
Okay, don't know anybody want any bicycle to buy?
You know how long want a bicycle to buy?
Okay.
How much for it?
1,000, we can sell up here 1,000.
Just 1,000?
1,000, alright. You get a bicycle.
Alright.
Yeah, man, it was nice doing business with you. Yeah, man.
Calm down.
Nurse, show one of the stuff. Show one of the 365.
It's not what you did there. You can't not afraid. We are to my baby. Pretty baby. Take on my feet.
Darn.
Alright, nurse, bring her in. What are good?
Don't make him jump in, don't make him jump here.
Don't make you jump here. Doc, we can't use this back, you know. Hold it.
Yeah.
It's where you come from?
You know, I was a bit late this morning, but when I got here, I went up and I realized that 2 of the patients were missing, you know.
Oh, 2 for missing on me just came back. One, and she alone is missing on me, and if security or find security or go get her over Ken Karan. So you mean 2 missing?
Well, 2 of them were missing, but you just brought back 1, so patient 06 is still missing.
06 missing?
Yes.
So how is that? Oh, that where's Spoon today?
He was right here when I got here. I think you need to go and check for yourself.
Alright, let me go check.
Doc, another thing. You know, when I got here, I did not see a bicycle, but it seemed like one of the patients actually left with your bicycle.
What? What is it?
Doc, I don't know how to explain it to you, but when I got here, I did not see your bicycle.
Oh, you make you go with the bicycle!
Get a hold of yourself, doctor.
Listen to me.
It's just a bicycle. Come on, relax. Relax. Get up. Get up. Doc, alright. I think the bicycle is somewhere in the compound. Let's just look for it. Come on, get up. Get up. Let me ask you a question. What really are going up at that place here?
Because different from me running up and down, me know it's a mental facility, but everybody up here can just mad so. Cause
hello, no much sweat there. We have a mental facility.
okay. So you was once a patient?
Never mind, sir. But I think I need to go look for the next patient.
The bicycle me I go look for. Listen, come on. What my daughter? Have jug.
Baby, tell them you need 100,000 to go back. So if they need you, they have to send 100,000. The baby not talk yet, man. Alright, maybe do it. Alright, maybe do it. If you want back this baby, you have to pay 100,000.
Let's come on. Where's the nurse? Let the nurse come. We need to go get my bicycle.
Doc, with all due respect, right? I went to Oxford University to be a doctor, right? Not a person to search for mad patients on the street.
Listen, we don't have no mad patients.
Give me a second, Doc. Doc! Oh my God, Doc, I have to go.
Just leave me.
Doc, I have to go. I just got a video that they kidnapped my child.
I thought my child got up with a bicycle.
Doc, you're not even understanding at this point. I have to go, alright?
Tell them where I go.
Security come. Because of that paying you for nothing, you know.
Security who? You don't have me up and down and up and down and look for mad people. Me never, as a matter of fact, I never sign up for this. If the doctor don't want to go, me go, hold this. Come.
Fine, princess. Listen to me now. This uniform fits you. Keep it on, man.
The uniform fit me, but the job not fit me. Me say, me leaving. You come.
You don't have to leave, man. Let me call the firm.
Get somebody else to do it.
Let me call the firm and have them extend your stay. Listen, man, keep it on, man. I like it.
Take all my slippers. Me don't want it. My gun.
Hey, give me the hat. Give me the hat, man.
You tell me what that's for.
I must find... Nurse! Nurse, Spoonie! Nurse! Hurry up, man. Listen. As of today, you have to go be the nurse and the security in a one because me lose all I security them. So you just hold this. So you have to put on the shirt and wear the pants. Keep the pants and wear the shirt with this and the hat. You have new security now. You hear?
Okay, well.
Can't believe it. I'm call this firm because I need to get my bicycle. Go and look for the patients in meanwhile. Yes, hello? Yes, I tracking company this. Yes, listen. I have a problem, you see? My bicycle. Someone stole it. And I would like for you to locate my bicycle for me. It's a very precious prized possession. No man, it's a blue and black bicycle. Listen, that bicycle is my wife did buy it for me, you know. But my wife buy that bicycle for me for my birthday. It's very... Yes. So how much it will cost me for you to find it? It doesn't matter, man. It doesn't matter, man. I'll ensure you get the money. It doesn't matter. That fee is alright. I just need to get the bicycle. How long would it take you to get it? Alright then. No problem. You see? Alright. This is my number. So just call me on this number, alright? Alright. Amen.
Hey, stop. Where you go? Spin your roll 3 times. Come in. You see your prayer come out this way now? Where you come out? Come. Your parents are ready. Come. Take off the shoes. Turn it upside down and put it down right there, so. Alright. Come now. You know the procedure. Turn back where you come. Aye. Oh, you're clean. Nobody no come with you. You're clean, man. They're not trouble. You come. Right there, so. Sit down. She good, man. She clean. She alright. Where you come from?
You see last time when I come here, mother? Boy, me regret it right now. Me sorry. You walk good enough, but I wrong somebody fall pan. All when I she name the food. Anyhow, me did know say my daughter name the food. Me wouldn't bother come because me not do something there to my daughter. Me sorry, me ball night and me ball day. Then mother, you can't turn me back. Take care of her for me, please.
Can't do nothing about it, you know. Me tell you already. Tell us that me can't turn it back. But you have to go charge. Me have to go charge you one little extra. Whole heap. I mean, know them, you know, have them the money. But we give you a chance to come back and pay and pay and pay. But if you don't pay me, you know me. Be that serious woman. You have nothing? You have no silver pan, you?
Yes, mother.
Say good on this son. Me and proceed one.
This alone me have.
Put in there, man. Put in there. You know you have to come big when you have to mess up.
Must come back up there, cuz.
Right, you're supposed to do.
Mother. Cancer Christian. The money them when me just throw in the water. Nothing not gonna happen to me nor my daughter.
Contribution. You don't know. When you go to church, you have to pay offering. You come here, sir, you have to pay offering.
Okay.
What you say ham to your daughter now?
She thief tone mad. You remember this when they come up here to you? The last time? Remember me just tell you, you work good, but my daughter I catch because she tell me lies about the food. Me don't know why she never tell me the truth.
Next time you have to be careful. Which part she there right now? She there down at the yard?
No. No, mother. She there one mental institution with pure mad people there. And me I wonder what they might do to my daughter up there.
You see? My sister she down there. And two of the man them. You see say them a touch her. Two of the either the doctor or the nurse or the security, but two man down there. You see it. I'll go after her. So you know what you are gonna do? You are gonna go down at the place and act mad. Them are gonna admit you.
Mother, what you say me to do? Act like me mad?
Yeah, insult me intelligence you're there.
Sorry, mother.
Act like you're mad. Tie up things for yourself. Act like you're mad. Go down there go create chaos.
But wait, where you come from?
You know, say I go back and send me up by mother woman. Because me want the curse to come off of my daughter. And it not come off. Me don't know if it do a ball night, a ball day. So me can't do nothing else more than go back up there. But, my son, if you do this for your sister, I bet you never tell me what she tell me say me have to do.
Oh God, you know. Hope I'm not telling you if you go sacrifice me and sacrifice somebody in your family, you know.
No, sir. I'm glad to know that too. I'm mad she say me have to go pretend like me mad. And go, me have to go in at the mad place. Go stay with the mad people them. Just to make sure say them a take care of my daughter. But, my son, me not tell you no lie. You see, from my daughter, this stress of me under, me have to go do it for her. Me have to go pretend like me mad because that doctor and that security boy them, me not trust him. Every go up, me go up there go visit my daughter. He have one big spliff in her ears, yeah, so. And turn up so like a son dead man, like in the sleep. Now pay attention, me I call him and he not even hear me. Eh? Can you imagine?
But me I say, mommy, act like a mad somebody, can I help her to get better?
Well, as far as me concerned, away mother say, I eat me they do. If I that we bring her back, it have to go bring her back. Me want know how much them a take care of my daughter in a that the place. Because me not trust the doctor.
Alright. So, now you are 006, mother.
Spooning. Look like we have to admit that one, yeah, man. Hello. This is one to you. Open the gate. Hold on, don't run. Don't run. Me not gonna do nothing. Come on, man. Your daughter is there. Your daughter is gonna get the same treatment that you get it. Alright? Don't worry. Just. I want to make her reach yourself. Eh? This is a sweetie. Me have a sweetie for you. Sweetie. Nice sweetie. Come, don't move here. Don't move it up. Freeze. Don't move. Come now, security nurse. What's wrong with this one? Oh, yeah. For staying with us to the end of the movie. It is always a pleasure for myself along with the team to make these wonderful content for you guys, and thank you to everybody that has contributed to what we're doing thus far, from the persons who have called and say, yo, we love what I do, to the person that inbox me on Instagram, to the persons that will call me and tell me, say, yo, we want to send you a thing to keep the movement going. Thank you guys. As you all know already, we have moved into a new apartment. It is 1 month. 1 month since moving to the apartment, and things has been going good so far. We are creating all these new content for you guys, especially this new series that you have just watched, Madhouse. You don't know, the idea was given to me by Manda. I say, yo Richie, why not do a movie about mad people, Ray, and I just took that idea, twist it and spin it and put it in the way that it is now, and the reception that we're getting from you guys is wonderful so far. Realize some love the new series. We're gonna see if how far we can take it, if we can bring it to one 10th episode, or we can probably just bring it 5 and stop it. But nonetheless, thank you guys, and I hope you're enjoying the new content, because you don't know, I never know that I had it in me to create comedy. You know, me always just think some of just want to tell stories with a drama and come with a message, but nonetheless, we are trying out the comedy thing and it'll work. Big up on yourself. Thank you to everybody that has been showing love and support. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe now. And if you're not share the content, share it on your Instagram, share it over on Facebook, share it on your WhatsApp. Tell a friend for go and watch the thing, because you don't know Richard Brown Films at its best. And big up to all the other channels who are associated with our channel: Paradise Nation, Jammy Wood, Public Report, Candy Empress, and all the others who are affiliated with the channel. Big up on yourself. Thank you to everybody for all the love and support. Big up on yourself. Bam.